Today marks 6 months since the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 as a global health emergency.
Here in Chatham County, hospitalizations in the past 2 weeks have increased 275%, and the 14-day community spread index is up 293%, a drastic increase from our first 2 cases that were reported March 20th. WSAV News 3's Jessica Coombs spoke with the Coastal Health District Director about the ongoing challenges and insight that we've gained over the past 6 months. She's live this morning with what he had to say. Jessica, good morning to you.
Good morning, Ben and Kim. Dr. Lawton Davis says the Coastal Health District's test positivity rate is about 13.6% right now. And although he says we've learned a lot about COVID-19 since the WHO declared it a global health crisis, he says we're still in what he likes to describe as a live experiment. Davis compared the virus with HIV, referencing the time it took to determine HIV's cause, and pointing to us still not having an effective vaccine. With several vaccine trials underway, Davis says they're dealing with similar issues they faced with SARS, where people are only building up an immunity that lasts for a couple of months. Adding, in order for a vaccine to be effective, it needs to last for at least 6 to 9 months.
So far, it looks like with this one, it may wane after a couple of 3 months. And so it's going to be very interesting and very important to see what happens with the immune response elicited by the vaccines.
Davis says COVID-19 was first deemed as a respiratory virus, but now says studies have shown that even if you recover from the virus, you can have lingering long-term health effects. He believes the approach to fighting COVID-19 will continue to adapt over time as experts learn from testing and social distancing measures. Davis says a lot will be learned this upcoming fall year as schools get ready to head back and implement different strategies. He says right now is not the time to be critical, but to learn from each other and try to implement what seems to be the most effective strategy. For more information about COVID-19, you can head over to our website at wsav.com/coronavirus. Live in Savannah, Jessica Coombs, WSAV News 3 on your site.